Right, so today I'm at a place called Flamborough, and there's the famous Flamborough lighthouse behind me. So this is a local nature reserve and it's home to many animals, and just over there, which I'm going to right now, is a seal sanctuary. So I'm hoping that lots of seals are coming out to play today, being as I've got the P1100 with me. So it's going to be great to zoom in there to get some real decent detail, hopefully. And today I'm going to be using the travel tripod from Newer, as it's a lot more convenient when I'm walking around. The other one's a lot more better, it's a lot more stable, but it's just way too heavy when you're walking around the cliff edge here. So now I'm going to set up just over here, and hopefully them seals are coming out to smile for the camera. Here we go. In here we've got a seal which is around 150 metres away, and that's 3000mm 125 times optical. And he's just chilling in the sun down there. And now I'll pull back to where I'm stood. Like I said, that's around 150 metres away down there. As you can see, there's quite a few of them scattered all around here. So that's 3000mm 125 times optical. And there's quite a few seals on this rock over here, and this is at least 300 metres away. So that's 125 times optical. Now I'll pull back to where I'm stood. Like a little seal, it's like a little seal island out there. Now again, this is 125 times optical, 3000mm, and this seal's around 400 metres away. He's not doing much surfing, is he? I'll pull out a little bit more. That's got to be the most relaxed surfing session I've ever seen. His little head just popping up and down. And I'll pull back to where I'm stood. So again, around 400 metres away, that one. So that's 3000mm 125 times optical, and I'm fully zoomed into the lighthouse here. So you can see the bulbs inside there. And that's around 600 metres away. And now I'll pull back to where I'm stood. So that's the famous lighthouse here at Flamborough. Here's quite a few seagulls at 3000mm. That's 125 times optical, and a load of seagulls. I've seen plenty of seals doing the nap. Probably around 500 meters away. So it's 3000mm 125 optical. Let's have a look at that digital zoom. Now I'll pull back to where I'm stood. I'd say that's about a mile away, maybe a little bit further. And this wording on this boat here, it's around 150 meters away. This is 3000mm, got to be quick because she's moving rather quick. There's someone else now, look. So they're about half a mile away. And they're wafting flies by the looks of them. I can vouch for that because I'm sat here covered in black flies. It's really enjoyable. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I've spent around 4 days touring the east coast of the United Kingdom there. We've visited Scarborough, Filey, Bridlington and then some other little towns in between, really testing the zooming capabilities of that Nikon Coolpix P1100. But what I have noticed with the P1100, when you're maxing that zoom out to the 2500 to the 3000mm there, 125 times optical, you just can't have any wind because it starts to shake. Even if it's a slight breeze, you get that really motion wobble in your picture. And you also have to be really careful of the temperature. Today's 24 degrees and you don't have to look that far before you start seeing that heat wave. So using that zoom today to its maximum reach of the 3000mm will be totally pointless, as you just have a big like mirage effect in front of the subject you're zooming in on. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.